How to make TikTok videos of 60 seconds 2023. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to make TikTok videos of 60 seconds 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, let's head over to our TikTok app right there. So let's click on it. And once you're in there, if you want to create a video, then what you can do is to just click on this plus icon right here in the bottom. So let's click on it. And then this will open this page right here. So if you already have a 60-second video, then just click on upload right here and then upload the video right here. As you can see, you can upload 10-minute long video. So it is not only 60 seconds, but you can also upload 10 minutes long. So if you want to upload 60 seconds, then just click on videos and then add the video that you want to add. But if you only want to create a video from scratch, then you can also have the option right here, which is 60 seconds. So just click on the 60 seconds right here. And as you can see, you can film a video up to 60 seconds on your TikTok. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to make TikTok videos of 60 seconds 2023. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!